Hello guys, I am Shubham Kirme. So our today's topic is the whole introduction about the Java method. Yesterday we are seeing the difference between stack and queue. So let's move towards the today's topic, that is the Java main method. The main method is the main is the starting point for JVM to start the execution of a Java program. And without the main method, JVM will not execute that program. Then that's we require the syntax of main method. And in that syntax they are having the one keyword, that is public. It is the access modifier. We should use a public keyword for the main method, so that can identify the execution, the point of that current program. If we use the private, protected and default before the main method, it will not be visible to JVM. And static is that you can make a method static by using the keyword static. We should call the main method without creating an object. Static method are the main method which involves the for creating the objects. So we do not need any object to call the main method. And third one is the void. In Java, every method has a return type. Void keyword acknowledges the compile that main method, and it does not return any value. In the main method, it is a default signature which is predefined in the JVM. It is called by the JVM to execute that program by line, and the end of that execution after the completion of the main method. So we can also overload the main method by using the string and arguments. The main method also accepts some data from the user, and it accepts a group of strings, which is also called as string array. It is used to hold the command line arguments in the form of string values. And in the main string arguments, here the arguments is the array name, and it is of the string type, and it means that it is a store a group of string. Remember, this array can store a group of numbers, but in the form of string values, and that values are passed to the main method. So that's called the arguments, and these arguments are stored into the arguments array. So the name of arguments is generally used here to it. What happens if the main method is written without the string arguments? Then this program will compile but not run, because JVM will not recognize that main method. Remember, you can remember the JVM always looks for the main method with a string type, and the array has that parameter. So what's the execution process? First, the JVM executes the static block, and after that then it executes the static method. Then it creates the object, and it need the program. So finally it executes the instant method. So JVM executes a static block of the highest priority basis. It means JVM first goes to the static block, and even after it looks the main method. So in the program, so we are going to observe that JVM first executes the static block, and if it is present in the program, after that it searches for the main method, and if it is the main method is not found, then it gives error by using compiler and interpreter. So let's see things. There are two ways of main method. So first one is the static public void main string, and in that string dot arguments, and also it can allow the method to accept 0 or multiple arguments. So there should be exactly 3 dots between the string and array, otherwise it gives error. So if you have to execute if you have to define the main method in Java, so there are the two types of different parameters. First one is you can write the string, and before that you can give the array the square bracket complete, and after that you can write the arguments name, and the second one method is the string, and there are the 3 dots in between after that the string name, and after that the 3 dots you can write the arguments name, anyone whatever you want. So there are that 3 dots are compulsory to define the main method in Java. This is the second type way of you to write the main method in Java. So that's all about the overall introduction of about main method in Java. And their main method is used anywhere in any language like C, C++, Java, Python. You require the main method also. Thank you guys.